guess that one's done playing. Oh, that one too. Got a blockage somewhere. A rocker. Hold on. A few minor issues that I need to take care of. But overall it works. This one right here needs help. And this one right here. So I think I'm going to probably do a metal little bushing in these so that they're consistent whether it's warm or cold out. Because right now they work when it's warm, but they don't work when it's cold. Which I found out because it's only 50 degrees today and kind of moist, so. Overall, pretty fun though. I'm really happy with how it turned out, looks-wise. Apparently I need to take care of that too. Okay. All right. Enough fun. I gotta go chase balls.